Spend time, then it's over for you. Your escape right now is the space of another. Because the truth is way too much for you to handle. Yeah, haven't you enough love for yourself? Why we keep running? But if you look in the mirror, you ain't have to see yourself.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, we are creating this look, and I was feeling this look because I don't know, I just wanted to do something colorful. You know, I've been doing for the past 2 videos, I did double cut creases. I don't know, this is just my creative era, or yeah, the period that I am most creative. I don't know why, but I feel very creative, and I just wanted to do the same double cut crease kind of vibe, but also I wanted to do it with something colorful, so I decided to go in with colors. Yes, and I promise the next look that I will do, I promise it won't be double cut crease, because you know I can't be like doing double cut crease back to back. But the good thing about it is with this style of makeup, you can change up the color scheme, and they all bring a different vibe, you know what I'm saying? Loving it, loving the look, loving my Nadula hair. Yes, if you want to check this video, link is in the description. Love it, guys. And you know I've been rocking it for quite some time now, and I am still loving it, guys. It's still beautiful as ever. So this is the look that we're going to be creating, guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching, guys, and do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because yeah, why not? Okay guys, so basically what we're going to be doing right now, as you can see, I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 46, and I just use that to prime my eyes. Then I'm going in with this brush now to just blend out everything. Then I start off with this blue, or this purple actually, and this is coming from the what palette? This is coming from the Masquerade palette, Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. Yes, and I'm just blending this across my lids, and this is just going to give me that, you know, nice transition, so that when we go in with the double cut crease, it'll give you that nice, you know, blended out color. So I'm going in with this darker shade of blue, I think blue or purple, darker shade, a deep dark blue. I'm not really sure what color this is, but I'm just using that now to just like define my crease a bit, so that we can have, you know, the colors like dimension in the eye look, deeper purple or deeper blue, and a deeper transition, a lighter transition shade, that is. Then I'm going in with my this is my concealer, and this is my Makeup Revolution. I don't know why I use so many concealers in this video, but anyway, I just used it to just try out, you know. So I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in C13. Oh, I know why I use the Makeup Revolution instead of the ColourPop. The ColourPop has a little bit of a pink undertone, and I didn't want it to give off that, you know, pinkish look instead of my complexion. So I used the Makeup Revolution because it has more of a yellow undertone, and it also is a good eyeshadow base. So I'm just using that, and I'm going to go in with some pressed powder later on. I won't show that in the video because I don't want it to be super long. So I'm using my detailer brush from Real Techniques, and you notice I'm using it to just cut my crease. And guys, this brush works like magic. Yes. So as you can see, now I'm going in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just using that now to create the what do you call that now, the lid space where we're going to add the other shadows. And I just use that as a base because it really works, and it also gives me that sharp, you know, cut crease line. And as you can see, I really like it. Then I'm going in with this blue now, this green actually, from my Magic palette, and my Juvia's Place Magic palette. Guys, I love my Juvia's Place palette. They give me the best pigments ever, and they're just easy to use, and I don't have any problems. So as you can see, I'm just adding this green
the green to the inner portions of my eyes. Then I went in with this lip liner brush, and I'm just going to define the line now with the smaller brush, just to ensure that we get all of that lid space, that black, covered. And I'm just using the brush now to just blend that. Then I went in with another brush, same lip brush, and I'm using this now from the same magic palette, and I'm just adding that to the inner portions. I was going for a colorful look, and I wanted to use all my like favorite colors, and these are my favorite colors from the magic palette and the masquerade palette. I love this this golden shade. It's very pigmented and very pretty. Yeah, so I'm going in with this purple now from the masquerade palette, and I'm adding that now to the outer portions just to define that wing and just to add the shadow. And I just wanted to continue. The reason why I use this purple, I was like, I just wanted it to stay in with the family, and in order for the look to just tie in with the other colors, everything to just blend in, because it's a lot of colors on my eyes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm just using this flat brush, and I went in again with another pencil brush, liner brush actually, to just add that and to define the line. Then I'm going in with this flat top brush, concealer brush actually, and I use that to just blur it out a bit and blend it out. Then I'm going in with this neon pink, and this is coming from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just adding that to my lower lid just to give it, you know, a nice definition. So when I go in with the purple shade, it is, you know, nice and faded or blended, if you know what I mean. Just the colors, that life, you know, that life you get when you add certain colors, you mix them together, it just gives off this nice, really popping look. So that's what we were going for. So I'm just going in now with this brush, and I'm adding the same purple that we used at the upper lid. And yeah, and I went in with that yellow again. The same thing, we're just repeating the same thing that we did at the top of the lids, at the lower lids. And I went in with the same green again at my inner corners, and I just went in again with the yellow just to ensure that everything is nice and blended in. Yeah, and yeah, just use my brush now to clean up everything, and this is pretty much it. I'm going to be talking for the rest of the video, so continue watching.
Basically what we're going to be doing now, we're going to be using the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm using this shade now to do a little contour on my face. Yeah, and I'm really loving the eyes. They're really colorful and dramatic. Yeah, just adding that, casting some shadows so everything can, you know, fall in place and we can look nice and snatched. Nice. Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some right here. I'm going in with a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use my LA Girls Glam Kit. I'm gonna be using this peachish blush. This one, not going to add a lot because I don't want my face to be, you know, Just going to go like so. Put this earring like so it doesn't get in the way. Just gonna take a little like so, and then we're just gonna take it right at the top, right here. Nice. And then just gonna take a brush like so. Where's left? You know, it's just gonna be brushed onto, or right here. You know, because that's what I want to do. I know I went overboard with the glowing, but you know, we're gonna blend that out so we don't look crazy. Cray cray. You know what I mean? Pink. Nice. Wow. And I am so feeling this now. And yeah, I'm wearing my Nadula hair, guys. I love it. Yeah, like curly hair. Yeah. Guys, yeah, this is the look that we went for. Yeah. Look at the eyes. Very bright. Highlighted, beautiful double cut crease. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I love this look. So I hope you enjoyed it. To continue watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and join the family. Don't be afraid to like. Don't be afraid to subscribe to my channel. I would really and truly appreciate the love and the support. So yeah, hope you enjoy this look, and
Thank you.